For over 40 years, SR Instruments has designed, developed, and built some of the most innovative scales in the world, and we service them right here in the USA. But that's only a small portion of what we do. Through our extensive experience in electronics manufacturing, we provide OEM customers with unparalleled expertise. Our comprehensive scope of services start with prototype development. This includes electronics engineering and design, software and systems integration, mechanical design and engineering services, and of course, customized load cell design to fit your unique application. Then our contract manufacturing services manage all production needs at our ISO certified facilities. We also provide after-sales support for all our scales, many of which are still in service after decades of use.
What SR brings to the table when somebody has a unique need is we have an entire team of engineers ready to work with their team. We're able to go to their facility, look at their product from the ground phase. We're then able to take a lot of our years of knowledge in this industry and the features that we already have and incorporate those into their products as well as the needs that they've come up with to make a truly blended, unique product for them. Once we're completed with the engineering process, then the next step would be to actually start to produce the product. The raw materials will come in the door, whether it's steel or plastic, extrusions, castings, what have you. Any secondaries that need to be required here, machining, is all done in-house. Plating, powder coating, all of that kind of stuff is all done. After that, it goes to the assembly side of our process, where our techs assemble all the products. Everything runs through a calibration process with NIST standard weights. Everything is documented at that point, cell serial numbers for the products, complete records on calibration, and then finally it's passed off to our quality control department for verification, and then on to shipping.
Designed in the USA, SR Instruments OEM Solutions ensure years of service for your products. Contact SR Instruments today and discover the advantages of an SR solution for your next project.